to another unboxing video. I am so excited to be unboxing the new 2021 MacBook Pro in 14 inches with the M1 Pro processor. Happy that Apple now does the braided USB cable, as this in my opinion is more durable. It also comes with some Apple stickers, instructions and the adapter. When I first picked up the laptop, it felt a tiny bit heavier than my 2015 MacBook Pro. Nothing major, so don't worry. Look how pretty it looks, guys. I'm just going to turn it on and then put the case that I bought from Amazon on, as I don't want it to get scratched. One thing that I really like about the 2021 MacBook Pro is that it comes with a MagSafe 3 port, 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, headphone jack, SD card reader and an HDMI port. I absolutely love the new Magic Keyboard. It now features a full height function key row. It includes new keyboard shortcuts for Spotlight, Siri, dictation and Do Not Disturb, and also the Touch ID. I'm going to be testing the MacBook Pro over the next couple of weeks before giving my full review on it, but so far I absolutely love it and is a great upgrade from my MacBook Pro 2015. This brings us to the end of the video, guys. If you've enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button and also subscribe so that I can continue to produce this kind of content. As always, thank you for watching and I'll see you all in my next one.